Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two earbuds in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Release date September 2022 and September 2024. Dimensions: height 1.22 inch, wide 0.86 inch, deep 0.94 inch, and height 46.2 mm, wide 50.1 mm, deep 21.2 mm. Weight 50.8 gram and 34.7 gram. IP rating: dust, sweat and water resistant, IP54. Transparency status: active noise cancellation, adaptive audio, and transparency mode, and up to 2x more active noise cancellation. Refer to large disclaimers with adaptive audio and transparency mode. Connection type: Bluetooth and wireless. Chip: H2 chip with voice isolation. Automatic switching: yes. Battery capacity: up to 30 hours. Wireless charging: yes. Adaptive EQ: yes. Hi Siri, always on. LED charging light location, front of case. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.